So, ladies and gentlemen, it's a gift from the Minister of Tourism and Antiquities. You are the first group to have the chance to visit the Southern Tomb since it was discovered in 1928. Lucky you.
I was speechless.
Just a once-in-a-lifetime kind of experience.
Absolutely incredible.
We were extremely surprised that we were going to be allowed into this tomb.
And we didn't know it was going to happen.
It wasn't on the itinerary, we didn't know.
I didn't know exactly what was happening at first until I came face to face with Dr. Waziri.
I couldn't believe we saw Dr. Waziri there.
I told him it was a privilege to meet him. I was just so taken aback.
And it was a beautiful tomb.
It was absolutely exquisite.
The turquoise in the tomb, it was just absolutely beautiful.
Just in awe of what we were able to experience.
That wouldn't have been available to us had we not traveled to Egypt through Archaeological Paths.